Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing some mountain biking on my local trails. Here is one of the features I'll be going down today. I'm going to be going over a tree with a tight berm after it. After that I'm going to be going down this steep piece of single track. Then round the berm and do a jump over the tree stump. Let's get riding. As you can see, it's really dusty. So let's continue. And crash. Let's see the crash from a different angle now. Let's go back to the top and try again. Take two. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.